This video will be everything you need to know about adding text in Photoshop. So first, once you're in Photoshop, you can add text by going to the text tool, or you can alternatively just click T on your keyboard and it will open up the text tool. Now if you hold down left click, you can see all the different types of text. You can generate horizontal, vertical type mask tool, or horizontal type mask tool. We're going to focus on horizontal text tool here. So if you go ahead and click on that, you can then click wherever on screen and you can start to write text. So I'm just going to write here, hello world. Now you might notice that the text is very small. All you need to do is either highlight it or click Ctrl A on your keyboard, which will select it all. Then if you go up here, you can see you've got the font. Go ahead and then choose a bigger font. And if that's not big enough, you can go over here to the actual text icon. And if you hold down and then move your mouse to the right, it's going to make it bigger. And if you hold down and move your mouse to the left, it will make it smaller. So move that to a size that you can work with and click on this move tool, and then you can move the text around. So going back to the text tool, if you go ahead and highlight all of your text, you can then go and change things like the font. So maybe I want to change it to this font here. We can also change things like the style of font. So do we want regular, italic, or bold? You've also got these settings here that you can play around with: sharp, crisp, strong, or smooth. And you've got the alignment here to the left, center, or to the right. Here is where you can customize your color. So we'll make it black. And that's pretty much all you need to know about the text tool. Or one last thing, if you want to make a text gradient, double click on the text layer and then go to gradient overlay. You can then go ahead and customize your gradient inside of gradient overlay.